You don't have to spend a fortune to get an amazing camera drone. Watch this video until the very end because I'll reveal which budget drone is the best overall and gives you the most value for your money. Whether you're a beginner, travel creator, hobbyist, or just looking to capture stunning aerial photos and videos, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right budget drone without the guesswork. I'll cover each drone's camera features, flight performance, real-world usability, and biggest advantages. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. SG-109 PRO MAX Mini. Starting our countdown is the SG-109 PRO MAX Mini Drone, an affordable GPS drone designed for beginners who want an easy-to-fly aerial photography experience. It features a 4K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, GPS positioning, and a 4.5-inch large-screen remote controller. Review highlights. The SG-109 PRO MAX is lightweight, portable, and simple to operate. GPS stabilization helps maintain steady flight, while the built-in display makes flying more convenient for first-time pilots and casual users. Pros: 4K HD camera, GPS-assisted flight, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, large-screen remote controller, compact and beginner-friendly. Number 4. V168 MAX GPS Drone. Coming in at number 4 is the V168 MAX GPS Drone, a feature-packed quadcopter designed for users looking for advanced flight assistance at an affordable price. It offers an 8K camera, GPS positioning, dual camera functionality, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and stable brushless motors for smoother, quieter flights. Review highlights. The V168 MAX performs well for casual aerial photography and outdoor flying. GPS return functions improve flight safety, while obstacle avoidance provides extra confidence for less experienced pilots. Pros: 8K camera support, GPS return function, dual camera design, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, brushless motors. Number 3. K19 MAX GPS Drone. Taking the number 3 spot is the K19 MAX GPS Drone, a foldable drone designed for portability and everyday aerial photography. It includes GPS-assisted return, brushless motors, a built-in display on the remote controller, and an airdrop function that adds an extra level of fun and creativity for recreational flying. Review highlights. The K19 MAX offers stable flight characteristics and user-friendly controls. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry during travel, while GPS assistance helps beginners fly with greater confidence. Pros: GPS automatic return, foldable travel-friendly design, brushless motor system, built-in display remote, fun airdrop feature. Number 2. S159 GPS Drone. Our runner-up is the professional S159 GPS Drone, a well-rounded budget drone that combines premium-looking features with easy operation. It features an 8K dual camera system, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, a built-in screen on the controller, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, GPS positioning, and a foldable design for convenient transportation. Review highlights. The S159 delivers smooth flying performance with responsive controls and reliable GPS stabilization. The built-in display and obstacle avoidance features make it especially appealing for beginners who want a safer and more enjoyable flying experience. Pros: 8K dual camera system, GPS positioning, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, foldable design with display controller. Number 1. L600 PRO MAX Drone. Designed to deliver premium features at an affordable price, the L600 PRO MAX comes equipped with an 8K HD camera, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for improved video stabilization, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, brushless motors, GPS-assisted flight, and intelligent obstacle avoidance. The included large-screen controller makes live viewing easy. Review highlights. The L600 PRO MAX offers one of the strongest feature sets in the budget drone category. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal helps produce smoother-looking aerial footage compared to many entry-level drones that rely only on electronic stabilization. Combined with stable GPS flight, brushless motors, and obstacle avoidance technology. Pros: 8K HD camera, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, GPS-assisted intelligent flight mode, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance technology. Outstanding value for the price. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing camera features, flight stability, GPS performance, obstacle avoidance, portability, ease of use, and overall value, the L600 PRO MAX earns our best overall recommendation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description below for today's latest prices and best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.